let's relax for a minute.
I prefer. So I take my fingers like this and go underneath and give it a little shake so I don't create frizz on top. Alternatively, I can go like this, using my hand as a claw and fluff it down.
I have got to try this out, like right now. I'm pretty sure there's still some scorch marks and my carpet is smoldering from how fast I ran to try this technique out. Did y'all see Allison's hair? The shine, the wave, the bounce, the ease of that wash day? Yes, we absolutely have to try this out right now. And clearly my hair is in need of some TLC, so that was perfect timing. I'm gonna get my hair nice and soaking wet. I did not have the exact products that Allison used in her routine, but I wasn't gonna wait until the products came in the mail. I wanted to try this so badly, so I grabbed what I had and did my best to mimic her routine with what was already in my cabinet. So we'll be co-washing today with a very blurry, that's better, not so blurry, smooth as silk Giovanni conditioner. I found that the Giovanni conditioners are really awesome for co-washing or conditioner washing, using a conditioner to cleanse your hair. Allison used New Wash, which is essentially a co-wash or a conditioner wash. I had a bottle, but I used it up and I haven't repurchased. So we're using the Giovanni today. Most conditioners do contain some gentle surfactants or cleansing agents, but if you're gonna get a good clean when you co-wash, you've got to use a lot of conditioner. And for really even distribution, I'm just plopping some conditioner right here in the middle of my hair, making sure to section and massage the nape of my neck. I'm really just scrubbing my scalp with the pads of my fingers a ton. Because those surfactants, those cleansing agents that are already in conditioner are pretty mild, you have to increase the mechanical cleansing with your fingers because the chemical cleansing power isn't the same as it is with shampoo. Now look at this Giovanni conditioner. You can actually see it foaming and lathering and sudsing up to some extent. Not all conditioners will do this, and that's why I really like the Giovanni when I choose to co-wash. Now I'm just gonna detangle and condition the links of my hair. I'm adding a touch of water to the hair so that that conditioner gets carried down through my mid-lengths to ends. And look at this, all the tangles just melted out. Now I'm really going to scrub this conditioner out of my hair. Another crucial step when you're co-washing, you can't just rinse the conditioner out, you have to scrub it out. Like Allison said in her video, scrub it out. Listen to Allison. Now I'm using the Curls Blueberry Bliss as my leave-in conditioning step. I think Allison used the Innersense Pure Inspiration Daily Conditioner. I'm using this one. And I'm adding more water to my hair before I gently begin to rake and distribute that leave-in conditioner into my hair. Really focusing on the mid-lengths to ends for this step and really gently finger combing and finger combing some more. I'm kind of waiting until I feel my hair do that slimy, seaweedy feeling. So that's what I'm shooting for as I'm raking this conditioner through. Almost there, we're nearly to the seaweedy feeling. We're still raking, I'm almost there, and now I feel the seaweed hair happen. That's how I know the leave-in conditioner is really well distributed. Now I'm going in with Brand with a Heart, My Perfect Custard. Allison used Hair Story Hair Balm, something like that, I think. I haven't tried that product yet, but after looking at the ingredients of the product that she used, I feel like this is my closest dupe, and that was disgusting. Lots of slimy hair. Now I'm just gonna put this in my hair like I put in the leave-in conditioner, finger combing it through, raking with my fingers. I did a tiny bit of prayer hands. Don't know why, kind of wanted to see what it would do, and that felt like it helped it distribute. Now I'm adding a touch more water to my hair. Actually, if I'm being honest, I added a lot more water to my hair and giving my hair a quick little scrunch. Allison said your hair had to be really, really, really wet and you had to add more water to your hair. So I did. See, I'm adding even more water to my hair and giving it a quick little scrunch. You're really using the water to help your hair clump together. I think that's what's going on here. Now I'm just going to take my perfect hair care towel and drape it over my shoulders and let my hair fall down my back. This was actually kind of tricky to figure out. I wasn't sure exactly how this happened for Allison, so I did my best. I think this is right, but I'm not sure. Now I'm grabbing the Pacifica hairspray. Allison used the Hair Story Undressed to kind of help things reclump together, reactivate curls when they were feeling a touch frizzy. So I'm just adding a thinnish layer of this product all over. Looking back at the footage, I feel like I applied way too much, but that's what happens when you try a routine out for the first time. It takes you a minute to get everything dialed in. Now I'm just scrunching this product into my hair, not trying to really change anything or really arrange things too much, just kind of scrunch that hairspray in. And now we wait. This is what the hair is looking like after I have styled it, I guess. And from here on out, I'm just gonna try and move as little as humanly possible and let it finish drying. Start your clocks, it's 1:19. Let's see how long this takes. All right, we are just at like the 50-60% dry mark. The front is pretty dry. There's like this cool dampness back here at the nape of my neck. I've just gotta say, I love the feeling of air drying my hair. Like the coolness on my scalp feels really good. I really like that. I don't love the lengths of my hair being all wet and drippy and touching me. That being said, I went into my office, I was working on my computer and just enjoying the feeling of cool scalp, cool roots. Turned on my fan, maybe turned on my space heater, and have just been working on the computer for quite a while. How many hours is that? Is that 2 hours, roughly? And I did notice with the fan going, like these strands of hair were coming loose and tickling my face. And Allison did say that she would go in with her spray every so often if there were any pieces that needed something. And I can't deal with those little tickly pieces touching me. Can't do it. Won't do it. I refuse. So I'm just adding a touch more spray so those pieces will quit attacking me. All right, I'll be back when it's 100% dry to kind of fluff it out, but I wanted to give you an update. We're about 60% dry at this point, and it's been 2 hours. I am not fully dry yet, and this is what it's looking like. The true magic happened with Allison when she fluffed her hair, so I'm really looking forward to seeing what that does. Okay, I was totally wrong just a second ago. My hair was much closer to being dry than I thought it was. It's dry now, and it's only about 30 minutes later. So why don't we go ahead and fluff this hair to see what it's looking like? Because right now it's very flat. I think I remember her kind of just sticking her fingers in the bottom and gently ruffling the hair. Because I used that custard and because Allison used the Hair Story balm, there's not really a cast to speak of. She also kind of put her fingers in her roots and ruffled like this. That helped some. That fluffed it up some. Not a lot. Okay, I thought I might have to do this. I think I'm gonna flip my head over and give it a really good fluff. Let's see if that destroys the curls. We just saw what it was looking like. I'm gonna fluff it and see if that makes it have a little bit more volume, because I'm looking in the mirror and I'm not liking what I'm seeing. I think that's better. I'm not sure. Let's take a look at the back. I think that this styling technique, this way of doing the hairs has incredible potential for me because this is what my hair looks like when I do my normal air dry routine, but I brush it out really smooth. This gives me some semblance of a wave pattern to my hair, but it's really subtle. I also think that I need to play around with the products. I know I didn't use the exact products that Allison used. I did my best to grab what I had that was the most similar. I have next to no frizz. Like, there's the dark background of the shadow right here. There's no little flyaways highlighted there. Here's my light colored background. There's no frizz. There's no frizz. That is amazing. My hair does feel just a skosh heavy, a little bit weighed down, which makes me think I need to play around with those products, find something that doesn't make my hair feel weighed down. I also think that it's possible that I kind of touched my hair a little too much. I couldn't help myself. I think I touched it just a smidge too much while it was drying, and I think that affected this section right here, kept it from living its absolute best wavy life. But overall, I am so impressed with this wash day. It was so easy. It was ridiculously easy. It's very effortless. It doesn't look messy or gross in the sense that it looks like I didn't try. Like, it looks like I tried with my hair, and I like it. I do think I need to play around with this technique and adjust it for me, but overall, I'm thoroughly impressed. And because I know you love it, this is what the hair was looking like at the end of the day, living my wild and crazy mom life. This hair you are seeing here has been through some things. We've been outside in the West Texas wind, and it is ridiculously windy today. And this is what the hair is looking like on the morning of day 2, straight out of the overnight pineapple with 0 refresh. No effort, nada, just put it up overnight and then took it down. Let me know in the comments down below if you're gonna try this out, because I think you should. I know that my normal air dry technique routine doesn't work well for everybody. The main complaint is that the hair is too poofy, too floofy, and too frizzy. I think this technique for air drying your hair from Allison may be the solution for that. As always, I sure hope you are having an absolutely fantastic day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!